Up first this evening, attorneys representing dancehall artist Andre Sutherland, popularly known as Popcaan, have filed a defamation suit in the Supreme Court against the state. Now, the writ filed this morning accuses the police of releasing malicious and false information into the public domain. Anthony Lugg has our story.
In law, Popcaan has no conviction in Barbados. Are you hearing me, Commissioner of Police?
Attorney at law Bert Samuels Friday morning, shortly after announcing that a defamation suit has been filed against the Attorney General for information released by the JCF earlier this week. The information was publicized after Popcaan and attorney Bert Samuels accused the Jamaican government of causing the artiste to be detained at an airport in the United Kingdom. The JCF refuted the claim and sought to establish the likely basis for the artiste's continued challenges in traveling to the UK. In a release Wednesday, the police referred to an incident in Barbados in 2009, but his attorneys insist he has no criminal history in Barbados.
Mr. Sutherland's conviction for possession of marijuana was expunged by the chairman of the Criminal Records Rehabilitation Offenders Board of Barbados in 2016. The relevant legislation in Barbados, which is the Criminal Records Rehabilitation of Offenders Act, states at section 17 that a rehabilitated person shall, in relation to expunged convictions for all purposes in law, be deemed to be a person who has never been charged with, prosecuted for, convicted of, or sentenced for the offense to which that conviction relates.
The attorneys demanded an apology from the police, but none was forthcoming, and so the lawsuit has been filed. Bert Samuels, while expressing confidence about the success of the claim, added that Popcaan's right to privacy was breached.
And that is something that will be added to this claim next week. We're adding a breach of Popcaan's constitutional rights to privacy, breached by those who should protect and serve him and us.
Popcaan is claiming general damages for defamation, interest, legal costs, and any further relief that the court may deem fit. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.